All right, here I am just outside of Anchorage, Alaska, Eklutna Lake, headed up to Pepper Peak. A little bit of rain right now. It's the last day of May, but it looks like hopefully sun will pop out and we'll get some nice views. About 9 miles and 4,500 feet of climbing, so it's going to be a solid uphill grind here for the next couple hours. 2 or 3 hours. So should be an awesome day though.
My soul, please, I'm begging you. Please don't cry, my love, my only one, my soul, please, I'm begging you. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Alright, so close to the top. I think just up a couple more, maybe 50 feet. So this last stretch has been pulling hard. I just had to be extra careful on these rocks, kind of loose rocks covered in snow, so not the best footing. So it's got to be extra cautious, but nothing too crazy. Just got to climb this little rock, and then I think I'll be there. Not quite clear, but still beautiful views.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Alright, this is the top of Pepper Peak, 5,400 feet. Took me about 3 hours to get up here. A little chilly up here, breeze. I flew the drone for a bit, my hands are a little chilly. Now time to head down. Seem to finally be out of the snow. Looks like we're out of that now. My hands got pretty chilly at the top flying the drone, so, and the feet are pretty cold. All the snow going in the shoes, but it's been sunny over there in the lake and those mountains, but we've just been kind of stuck on a cloud. Haven't had any sun over here, but it looks like hopefully soon the sun will come and warm us up. So I still probably have about 4,000 feet of descent left, give or take. Basically have to get all the way down to the lake. That's where the car is at. So here we go. Try to run and make up some time on the way down.
I looked into her eyes. we stood, I looked into her eyes. There I saw smoldering fire. I felt the beating as we stood. I felt the beating as we stood.
Just make it back down to the car. A solid day. About 8 miles, 4,800 feet of climbing. Just over 5 hours total. So back down, and that was an awesome day.